Hi, my name is Omar Neff. I belong to the community garden too, and I would like to share something with you. I live in Erin Ridge. Here is one gather, and here I have one bottle. I have my second one there. They are all connected with hoses. They are quick connections, so it can be quickly separated during the winterization of the every year. There is the hose. And I can show you here. I have 3 more in the back, and I have one more in that area. They are all connected with hoses. They are all with quick connections. And here I have six more, or 5. So in total I have 11, and they have a gutter there that I have to move a bit. So these are all connected, all with quick connections, so easy to move. And I have this sump pump that I can use for pumping the water to the 4 in the back, because the 4 bottles in the back, they are in the higher altitude than this 7 in close the house. Okay, you have a good day, enjoy, and looking forward to working the project. Bye.